Hey guys, how are you going? This week we're going to be talking about acrylic mediums. So two different mediums that we can add to our acrylic paints. The first that we're going to look at is the acrylic painting medium here, and we're going to try this one, the impasto medium. I hope that you enjoy this tutorial. This is going to help you to up-level your artwork, add some more texture into your pieces, and definitely find that point of difference. Enjoy guys, make sure you like this video and follow and subscribe. Thank you, bye.
Okay, so I'm going to start with the Deravan Matisse Flow paint. This color is Naphthol Crimson, but you can choose any color of your choice. So I'm going to pop this in 3 different areas. 1, 2, 3, all about the same size, just to demonstrate to you. Now I'm going to leave this first squeeze or first section by itself, and in the second one I'm going to add the acrylic painting medium, which is also by Deravan Matisse. This one will thin out your paint, so just make a puddle there, and I'm going to mix it quite quickly just because I don't want it to run off the page. And so what this will do is thin it out, give it a little bit of transparency as well. You can see you need a bit more. Usually I would mix this in a, one of those palettes with like a little concave area rather than a flat palette, but that's okay. All right, so we've thinned this one out quite nicely. And on the next one, we're going to mix in some impasto medium. This is also Deravan Matisse. And for this one, it's best to use a spatula. So I'll get a big bit of that and I'll mix in my color. And you'll see it's hardly affecting the color itself, the base paint, but it's creating a nice texture there. Okay, so I'll just pop these, oops, aside. I should pop it like this for you, so you can see what I'm using. All right, so with our sample over here, just get our regular paint, so you can see the texture. I'll demonstrate the second one with our acrylic painting medium in there. It's a lot smoother. I actually want to show you that with even more medium in there. So this is a great option when you want drips on your canvas as well as transparency, and you don't want the paint to crack down the track. It creates more durable artworks. So that's with a bit more of our medium there, our acrylic painting medium. And our last one, I'm going to use our spatula for this. I'll just go this way, and you can see how thickly that one goes on. I'll hold that up for you so you can see a little bit closer.